Hello guys, this is your host Akshada from THC New Homes. Today we are here at Sangvi Groups, one of the most reputed developer with 40 plus years of experience, along with Fortune Developer. They have come up with this luxurious 1 and 2 BHK apartment at Sangvi Nesta near Hiranandani Estate, Thane. So as I said, guys, about the location, this falls near the Hiranandani Estate in Thane, where luxury meets connectivity and eastern suburbs. In eastern suburbs, if I talk about the major connectivity, guys, this falls in nearby your Eastern Express Highway. Your GB Road is hardly at 4 minutes of distance from here. Your Patlipada bus stop is hardly 4 minutes walkable distance from here. Viviana Mall proposed metro station. You have your Thane railway station hardly at 20 to 25 minutes of distance. If I talk about the total area, guys, this whole land parcel is of zero point 0.6 acres of land parcel basically. First floor to 12th floor will be your the whole story tower. The key aspects of this one is they are offering you luxurious 1 and 2 BHK with cross ventilation, prime location with connectivity, and the important amenities that they are giving you. They're offering all the basic amenities. You have all the location advantages wise and connectivity wise, school, colleges, hospitals, shopping malls nearby this location. So today I'm going to help you explore the sample flat. So let us just go forward and see the sample flat. Thank you. Help you explore their 2 BHK sample flat of 750 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing right here in their entrance area. This is your main entrance to the apartment. This right here is going to be your foyer space. You can see you can place in your shoe rack right here, or maybe you can use it as your foyer space too. And then as soon as you enter in from here, this comes your whole living room space, guys. This is your living room space with 3.5 feet of balcony attached to your living room. And then you have your dining space just in front of your kitchen area. This is going to be your open kitchen. If you want this, there could also be a wall partition to your kitchen, or maybe you can place in a good glass door so that it will be an open kitchen situation, howsoever you want it, because you also have a dining area right here. So guys, this is going to be your L size kitchen, L-shaped kitchen. You can see you have your sink space where you can use the, you can customize the storage as per your needs. You have a fridge unit right here, and then on my left comes your common washroom, guys. This right here is going to be your common washroom along with a dry area too. So they are giving you a dry space with your common washroom. You can see they have installed premium fittings. So they have given you the Jaguar fittings to the washroom. And then you have your beautiful common bedroom, guys. This right here is going to be your common bedroom. Your queen size bed, your wardrobe space. And then they have given, they have covered this wardrobe space under the niche area. You can see how beautifully they have covered this space. It's not consuming like a big space. They have put a wallpaper which looks like it's a wall itself. Also, the most beautiful part is that they have given a running balcony. See, they have given this 3.5 feet of balcony to your common bedroom, which is connecting to your master bedroom too. That means it's a running balcony. They've also customized the space for your storage. You can use it as a side table or however you want it. And then comes your very lavish and luxurious master bedroom, guys. This right here is going to be your master bedroom. Just have a look. Your master bedroom, you have a very pretty queen size bed, comes in your side table, a very long length of mirror, and then you have your big length wardrobe space. So as you can see, again they have covered this wardrobe under the niche area. That means again it's not consuming much of your space. How beautifully they have designed the wardrobe. You also have a long length mirror to your wardrobe, and then you have a attached washroom. Again, how luxurious the washroom looks. They have again given you the Jaguar fittings, and this geyser is going to be installed already for you. Okay. So guys, this is their one of the premium project at this location nearby Ranandani Estate. As said about the balcony, it's again the running balcony connecting to your common bedroom. 2 BHK 750. It's a very amazing deal, guys. Come and grab the offer right now. Thank you.